has a big mop. He uses the mop to get with
Spots
spots of
up.
Bob. Up Bob likes his mop to be clean. He put it in the wet
Sink.
sink. What ano to?
What does
What does Bob uses the mop from?
4 2 tanong yan.
Where does
Does
Bob put his mop? Who
how
How
does
does Bob feel about his mop?
oh
Jen has a hen. The hen
sits
sits in a pen. The hen can run and hop. Jen gives the hen a yummy
snacks.
snack.
Oh, yung tanong.
Where
Does
where does the hen sit? What can the hen do? What does Jen give the hen?
Oh,
Meg has a red frog. She
puts
put her dog
hair
dog on the road. The dog wags his leg, makes it, and
rubs.
rubs the dog big head.
Oh.
Question
Oh.
number 1. What color is Meg Rub?
Oh.
What is the dog doing? Where is Meg sitting?
Oh.
Madali.
Madali.